up this morning, feeling a little down and out. Thank the man upstairs to wash my face and brush my teeth and my hair. Turn on the radio, start moving around. Damn, this beat is feeling good, got me feeling good now. All you got to do is take one step to the floor. It's your life, it's your life. All you gotta do is take one step to the floor. It's your life, it's your life.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy DV Double N, the musical teddy bear. Another episode for your earlobe. It's a No Talk Friday. That's how we do it. We're going to jam all the way through. Thank you for tuning in. 91.3 FM WUJP, America's urban community alternative station. 4LP, live, love, laugh, learn, and pray. Peace out.
Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly. When the rain hits my window, I take in me some endo. Me and Timberland, ooh, we sang a jangle. We so tight that you get our styles tangled. Sway your do-si-do like you loco. Can we get kinky tonight like Coco? So, you wanna play with my yo-yo? I smoke my hydro on the D-Lo. I can't stand her. It's my window. 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 Beep, beep. Who got the keys to the Jeep? I'm driving to the beach. Top down, loud sound, see my piece. Give them pounds now, look who it be. It be me and Timothy. Look like it's about to rain, what a shame. I got the armor or the shine up the stain. Old Missy, try to maintain. I can't stand the rain. I can't stand the rain. It's my window. I can't stand the rain. It's my window. I can't stand the rain. It's my window. I can't stand the rain. I feel the wind. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10 begins. I sit on heels like Lauren until the rain starts coming down in the pouring chill. I got my umbrella, my finger waves these days, they fall like Humpty, Chumpy. I break up with him before he dump. To have me, yes, he lucky. It's my window, I can't stand her. 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 I can't stand her. I can't stand her. I can't stand the rain. I can't stand it. It's my window. I can't stand the rain. 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 I can't stand the rain. I can't stand the rain.
Ride time official. Y'all already know what it is, man. Shout out to all my niggas out here grinding, man. You ain't on that broke ish, man. Right now, we in the A, cause we rollin'.
Little kid, homie, don't be mad at me. Is it my fault that your pocket's on E? Now you need to get a grind, maybe you can eat. Tell me who done lied to you, ain't nothing free.
I tell a nigga quick if he broke. What the fuck that got to do with me? I've been on my like a fly, now I move the streets. What you need to do is stop chasing all these little freaks. Tricking is a broke action, cause it's always cheap. Get a hustle, put a mean joint up on your payroll. Rain, sleet, or fall, shorty, bring it when you say so. Never say too much up in the street, homie, lay low. Never spurge on anything unless you got some Play-Doh. Man, I play broke just to keep the heat up off of me. Name never rung a bell, street code never breached. My whip is looking like I never loved it. She don't wanna ride without some rims, that's some cluckers. Catch a nigga with 200, rob him, that's some suckers. Buy some shoes, broke again, right back on some other. Some of y'all can't change up, and I blame the way that we came up. That grind, leave it plain stuck, and result to picking that thing up.
Kid, homie, don't be mad at me. Is it my fault that your pocket's on E? Now you need to get a grind, maybe you can eat. Tell me who done lied to you, ain't nothing free.
19, I had 4 whips. 25, I had 4 chicks. Grind had no constipation. Do the math, no broke-ish. Y'all knew, want handouts. Slow money with your hand out. Young new, head bumming change. That's the only way that you stand out. Money call, I answer that. I start the whip and I go. Staying broke is a state of mind, and y'all should be letting that go. I know money chasers, money racers, but I don't know no money haters. Put y'all in that category if y'all ain't out here getting paper. My grind on Superman, tell that chick I can't save her. Get all in it like a messed up tenant cause I can't pay her. Y'all know my grind, I don't have no time, my stacks major. Gotta give thanks for those banks, all my pack chasers. Y'all know that money equals time, trying to get it in my prime. Y'all ain't out here on your grind, need to quit with all that crime. You ain't out here trying to shine, bro, you need to get in line. I can't sit up in the bind, that's just me, that's just me.
Homie, don't be mad at me. Is it my fault that your pocket's on E? Now you need to get a grind, maybe you can eat. Tell me who done lied to you, ain't nothing free.
More.
I'm Fletcher Word, publisher of the Sojourners Truth, Toledo's African-American weekly newspaper. The Truth covers issues important to all Toledoans, education, business, and politics. Special sections cover important health and education stories, and you can also read the outstanding commentary of D.L. Perryman and the musings of Michael Hayes, the Truth Minister of Culture. For fair and objective reporting, pick up the Sojourners Truth. It's available at over 400 locations in the metro area.
The station that's playing the hottest new music.
I'm John D.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Sebastian.
Jam-packed radio. Your urban community alternative station.
www.blackbeatmusicgroup.com.
Usher Raymond, yeah. Thugger, yeah. Go right up, yeah. Make you say, no limit. Got that masterpiece, no limit, baby. Give you that black card, no limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. Make you say, no limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Give you that ghetto D, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. You know you fine, baby, you know that you fine. I'm just trying to make you mine, trying to make you mine. Yeah, I'm trying to make you mine. Put a tingle in your spine. We got a vibe, we got a way. You should ride on it. All of the places I can take you, girl, is limitless. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. Cause I may not know you, just let me hold you.
You be my soldier, like you from the north. Make it say, no limit. Got that masterpiece, no limit, baby. Can get that black card, no limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. Make it say, no limit. I see murder that, no limit, baby. Can get that ghetto D, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. Cars on decline, baby, the cars on decline. You roll with me and we shine, baby, we shine. Yeah, little mama, we shine. Just pick a destination. Go ahead, show me you can get like everything. Show me like any car, any house, baby, you can get like any ring, anything. Then I can knock it down, all through the night, all through the day, yeah. I can knock it out, baby, you call the Sugar Ray, yeah. 'Cause I may not know you, just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Make it say, no limit. Got that masterpiece, no limit, baby. Can get that black card, no limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. Make it say, no limit. I see murder that, no limit, baby. Can get that ghetto D, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. You found out that wine, baby girl, I ain't lying. Made my homie drop a dime, commit a crime, jeopardize my lifeline, just to see your vital sign. Ain't no limit, baby, we do it like ain't no limit, baby, when you a started. Martyr outsmart the robber. Build a session with Bacardi Barbies. Kerosene. Promise spin while machine. Thin ways and prima donna. Never limit, I'm a stunner. Till it, I do never runners. Them boys, they all beginners. Follows interact with them. I'ma spend my night with them. I can put carrots all over you. Carrots all over you. Never mind me on the pop. Man, I been getting high with these fools. And she said all her friends fake, so she solo rockin'. And she a real bad. She ain't gotta Photoshop it. No limit. I see murder that, no limit, baby. Get that ghetto D, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby.
Let me talk to you, baby. Oh, you look real sexy. Yeah. So sensual. In the middle of the night, your body's calling me, baby, to come fulfill your every fantasy. Yeah, girl, you're looking real good, real smooth and tight. I wanna make love to you all night. Yeah, tell me how you want it, 'cause it ain't no thing. Tell me how you need it, 'cause it ain't no thing, no thing, no thing. So sensual, so sensual. That's between you and me, babe. In the middle of the day, you're all I'm thinking of. I can't get you off of my mind. Can't get you off my mind, baby. Make no mistake, you're all I really want and gotta have. I can't let you go, I won't let you go. Tell me how you want it, 'cause it ain't no thing. Tell me how you need it, 'cause it ain't no thing, no thing, no thing. So sensual, so sensual, so sensual between you and me, babe. Let me take
it ain't no thing. And tell me how you need it. Cause it ain't no thing, no thing, no thing. So sensual, so sensual. That's between you and me, yeah. Want it, want it, want it. Oh yeah. Need it, need it, need it. Need it, need it. Need it. So sensual, babe.
Hi, it's Rhonda. Listen to me, Rhonda Cobb, the Money Coach, every Thursday here on 91.3 and every day on www.rcmoneycoach.com. I'm Rhonda Cobb, the Money Coach, taking you from broke to set.
The station that's playing the hottest new music, Jam Pack Radio, your urban community alternative station.
50 Cent. Sierra. I'm focused, man. Dog child. You should know this, man. Just one dose of me, I had you addicted. To know me, still love me, I handle my business. Any city, any town, touchdown, I do my thing. I'm a hustler, baby, I provide by any means. From a brief conversation, you should know what I'm about. When you look at me, baby, you should see your way out. Out the hood, out the drama, out the Bentley, it's all. Out the headaches and stress you done been through before.
It's only been 3 months and I already got it bad. So hooked and I keep on coming back. Girlfriend's telling me I don't know how to act, but I'm telling them, baby, bye, fall back. He's so good and he knows how to love me, but so good and he's so heavy in the street. He's my dude, so you better get used to things. And I don't care what you say about me, they say that he does it with the best. Runs it in the West, had it on his chest. I like it. So what? I like it. And they say that he's gonna hurt me. Just wait and see. They don't know me, 'cause I am what he wants, his girl, and I love it. Oh, I can't leave him alone. I tried that good boy thing, but the dope boy's turning me on. When it's just that I know what I want. It's so bad, I love that. I can't leave him alone. I can't leave him alone. I tried that game, but the dope boy's turning me on. When it's just that I know what I want. It's so bad, I love that. I can't. See, when I had a good guy and do that much for me, try to be hard, but that he can never be. Always told me that no one compared to me, but couldn't handle it when other guys were there. Now the top lays back so everyone can look at me. From the A to the hills up in Beverly, he's so fly that he knows how to carry me. First class when you talk, we don't hear what they say. And he does it with the best. Runs it in the West, had it on his chest. I like it. So what? I like it. And they say that he's gonna hurt me. Just wait and see. They don't know me, 'cause I am what he wants, his girl, and I love it. I can't leave him alone. I tried that good boy game, but the dope boy's turning me on. Just that I know what I know so bad, I love that. I can't leave him alone. I can't hear him say I tried that game, but the dope boy can't change. Just that I know what I want.
Yeah.
So bad, I love that. I can't.
The more I get, the more my ambition tell me there's more. I move a A for that girl, I move a half for that boy. Then I flip that, double up, kick back, cuddle up. Your friends trying to confuse you, but you know what? My intentions are good. I can't help it, I'm hood. I wouldn't change if I could. You shouldn't tell me I should. Baby, you should take me as I am and be happy you're my girl, 'cause I'm happy I'm your man.
He is calm. It just takes one call. I'll come running. Boy, I promise I will be here for you. All my heart, it belongs to you. I can't lose you. Yeah. Boy, I just can't leave you alone. I can't leave him alone. I can't leave him alone. But the dope boy's turning me on. Just that I know what I want. So bad that I can't leave him alone. I can't leave. I tried that game, but the dope
You got to chill.
Relax your mind, let your conscience be free and get down to the sounds of your PMD. But you should keep quiet while the MC rap. But if you tired, then go take a nap. Or stay awake and watch the show I take, because right now I'm about to shake and bake. The E-I-C-K is my name, I spell. Thanks to the clientele, yo, I rock well. I'm not an MC who talking all that junk about who can beat who. Sound like a punk. I just get down and I go for mine. Say check 1, 2, and run down the line.
To the average MC, I'm known as the Terminator, funky beat maker, New Jack Exterminator, destroying a ploy when your rhymes are not void. Never sweating your girl, YP, cause she's a schizoid. When I'm on the scene, I always rock the spot. I grab the steel with the crown on top. In the beginning, I like to let my rhymes flow. And at 12, I press cruise control. Sit back and relax, let my rhymes tax. Maintain them C's while the doubly max. Always calm under pressure, no need to act ill. Listen when I tell you, boy, you got to chill.
The personal computer information on rap, like the BRZ marquises that make your toes tap. I format the rhymes step by step, make them sound deaf to maintain my rap. Prepare to come off in case of a diss. Don't worry about the thing, cause we can do this. I can turn the party out just by standing still. Make a lady scream and shout while the brothers act ill. Take total control of your body and soul. Pack a 9 in my pants when it's time to roll.
I'm the P-E-E-M-D-E-E. And one thing I hate is a biting MC. When I enter the party, suckers always form a line. Then they ease their way up and try to bite my lines. I did thousands of shows, dish many faces, and deal with New Jack on the one-to-one basis. But every now and then a sucker MC gets courageous, and like an epidemic it becomes contagious. But never the least, they all R.I.P. For all those unaware, it means rest in peace, cause MD stands for microphone doctor in the capital P, capital M, capital D, E, E's, no doubt the G rocker. Don't like to get ill, but if I have to, I kill. So believe me, boy, you got to chill.
Catch every word I'm saying, no it's no delaying. Don't hesitate to motivate the crowd, I'm not playing. Seeing is believing, you catch my drift. Or try to interact because I'm just too swift.
How swift?
I'm so swift and that's a natural fact. I'm like Zorro, I'm all E in your back. I don't swing on no ropes or no iron cords. The only weapon is my rapping sword.
Intimidate MCs with the tone of my vocal throne. When I'm dishing on the microphone, cause I'm the funky rhyme maker. MC Undertaker, the one who likes to max and relax. And when it's time, it's your dig 'em smack. I keep the hands clapping, fingers snapping, feet tapping. When it's time to roll, Uzi patrols packing. The P&D, the mic's my only friend. And through the course of the party, I kill again and again. So if you're thinking about battling, you better come prepared. Come with your shield and your arm again. You got to chill.
DJ LaBoss,
taking no shorts.
I like this right here. Yeah. Bad boy. No, we don't stop. Faith. 99.
We can dance, dance, dance. Clap your hands, hands, hands. All night. If you're in the mood, do what you wanna do. All night long. Happy
did it. If it's not, then I wasn't with it. Bad boy, stay committed. Whether hip hop or R&B, featuring Faith Evans co-starring me. P Diddy, you know I got the key to your city. Unlock the door, rock some more, beats be laced. Bad boy, heat the place. We run R&B too, cause we keep the faith. Giving the streets a taste, blaze the charts.
I remember.
In case you forgot, First Lady be making it hot. Ain't nobody taking the spot. Now it's faith instead of pain. Coming through with a better grain. In the dash, cell phone, better range. Get the cash, stack paper for the whole 4 quarters. Damn, some things never change. You feel me? Yeah, let's make it dance. Come on, let's go. Yeah.
We can dance, DJ, just play the song. If you're in the mood, do what you want.
Nobody does it better.
The station that's playing the hottest new music. Jam Pack Radio. Your urban community alternative station.